So once again, welcome back guys, Code with Marv. We are going to have our 10th lesson in this course. So our 10th lesson is going to be about, let's go check it out. Yeah, so in our 10th lesson, we are going to see how can we use external styling to style a page. So as you can see, this page is not having any styles. You do not see any style tag anywhere I have made such. However, this is the outcome, but I have used the external styling format, and with me as usual I am with my partner is who we are going to handle with the lesson. So how did I do this? So first of all, you need to create two let me show you. So you need to create two so you have to create two files, the CSS file and the HTML file. So let me first show you how this works. After creating your CSS file, I have created my CSS file. As you can see, the extension is .css. Yeah, thank you very much. The extension is .css. So in my lesson 10.css, I want the body to have a background color of turquoise. So you can turquoise. I want to create a div whereby the width is this, the padding is this, the border, any other styles that you would like to add in, and also all my paragraphs I want them to be styled in this kind of format. So now, after creating your CSS file, and then you would like to link it to your HTML file. So this is the HTML file having the code, the div, as I styled, and then the paragraphs. So that you can go through the CSS to see everything of how I have made sure that I have a CSS box. So that's all in the CSS. So for this lesson, we are majorly focusing on external styling. So how do you actually link this? So we use a tag. Let me redo this. So we use a tag. So as you can see, when I remove the tag that links the other CSS to this HTML, all the styles disappear. However, if you want now to link those two files, we use the li tag, and this tag is actually not like the usual tags. It's an empty tag, it's a self-closing tag. Why? This is because it's not going to be holding information within here for us to now have a use of closing this tag. We won't need any information within, but we need the information inside the tag, not within the open and close link tag. So the link tag, meaning that I want to link something to this HTML page that I have, but now what do I want to link? I want to link a CSS file. So we use the rel attribute, and then we say we want to link a style sheet. CSS, remember CSS in full is cascading style sheet, so it's also a style sheet. So I want to link a style sheet, but now which style sheet? That's when we use the ref attribute, meaning the hypertext reference, the URL reference. So if I'm to look for the style sheet, I named it lesson 10.css. Yeah, so here it is. So immediately I link it to my HTML page. The styles make sure that impact onto my code. So with this, we've gone through the external styling This helps us not to crowd our HTML page. We can do also, if as we reach the JavaScript, we can also do the JavaScript in another, it's done in another way, it's linked in another way, but you can do your JavaScript in another file and then link it to this HTML file, the major file. So with this, thank you very much. I hand over the microphone to my assistant if he has anything to say, or any additions or any corrections that he has found out in this lesson, the course of our lesson of external styling.
Thanks for this opportunity. You said that CSS has a full form. Does it mean that HTML has a full form?
Yeah, so for HTML, maybe to make it more unique, let me use the tags. Here the tag, let me say that this is HTML, and then here in the paragraph part, let me put the full form of HTML. It is a hypertext markup language. So that is the full form of HTML, hypertext markup language. So its full form also tells you that this is not a programming language, however, it is a markup language. It gives you the basis of your coding. So any other question? So I think you have no other question. With this, we have gone through external styling, and now you can do your styling in a more clean way, making the HTML code not crowded. So thank you very much, and bye for now.